Right, so I'm also able to see prescriptions. To so I'm giving prescriptions to patients before they're all going to appear here. And then the next one is the invoices, whereby I can see my withdrawals. When you make consultations, the money you earn is going to be added to your wallet. Then you can come here and make withdrawal, and then we deposit to your account. So we make it as easy as possible so that doctors receive their earnings without hassle. So here you're going to see your reviews, what reviews that patients have given to you. And then here you also have the referral as well. So if you go to this, the doctor profile, you're able to edit a lot of things like about me, the basic info. So this is a test doctor, so it doesn't have much information. So you're going to see education, work experience, award, specialization, services, and the rest. And you're also able to see your schedule. You can add more schedule if you so desire. And then you can edit your location and it's going to appear here on the map. So you can also edit your basic information such as your picture, your basic info such as first name, last name, your username, and so on and so forth. So the contact information, your address, services, specialization. This guy is a neurosurgeon, a dermatologist, and also practice family medicine. You can also update your education. You can add more degrees as possible. You can add your experiences, your awards, your membership, and so on and so forth. So back to the dashboard, then this is basically what you see when you come to your dashboard as a doctor. So the more you experience the app, the more you get to unlock more features.